Right, I would like to show you a set of plans. We've taken an average one. It's a Tiki 30. Comes in a nice box, good and sturdy, good to keep them in. And inside are the plans. So there's just some introductory pages, which I'll put to one side. And then these are the main parts of the plan. This is the information booklet, which gives you all the materials lists and a lot of information on how to use tools, how to apply epoxy, how to do fiberglassing, and it finishes off with some builder's questions, and in this case it also got stability information at the back. So it's what's called the information booklet. Then inside here there's two parts to the actual building plan. This is what we call the sketchbook, and then these are the big sheets which give you all the measurements. And so these big sheets, I'll just open one so you can see it. In this case you'll see the whole boat laid out from the top, from the side, every piece of wood that goes in it you can actually see. But you don't have to be able to build a boat from this, because what gives you all the help to actually do the building, particularly if you've never built a boat before, that's this sketchbook. And this book will give you lots of information on how to actually go about putting the boat together. There's lots of text describing how to do it, how to make epoxy fillets. These are details of where the beams go on, interior details, making cross beams, making mast. I won't go through every page, but then there's details on the rigging, including how to make seams on a deck tent. So that gives you all the details of how to build your boat. And amongst these sheets there are also sheets like this one, which gives you the layout of all the pieces of plywood. So you don't have to plan that out, it's been done for you. So you're safe, you don't waste plywood, unless you make a mistake of course. But this is all explains how, and here's some details of how you go about drawing on the plywood. So I won't go through every sheet, but you can see there's quite a number of sheets, and they give all the bits you need to know for building a Tiki 30. And you can keep it all in this nice box, and it will keep nice in there.